Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to a quick guide on opening a traditional IRA. This type of individual retirement account offers fantastic tax benefits for your long-term savings goals. You might even deduct your contributions, lowering your current income, and your investments grow without being taxed each year. It's a powerful tool for building a secure financial future, helping your money work harder for you over time. Who can open a traditional IRA? Well, you simply need to have earned income from a job or self-employment during the year you wish to contribute. There are also specific limits on how much you can put in each year, so it's good to check the current IRS guidelines. There's also an age limit, as you generally can't contribute after reaching 70.5 years old, making it a flexible option for many. So, where do you actually open a traditional IRA? You have several excellent options, including brokerage firms, banks, or even mutual fund companies. Each type of institution offers different features, like various investment choices or different fee structures. Take some time to compare them, looking for the best fit for your financial goals and preferred investment style. Opening your IRA is usually straightforward. First, you'll need some basic personal details like your social security number and employment information. Then, simply choose your institution, navigate to their retirement account section, and select a traditional IRA. The final step is funding it, which you can often do by linking a bank account or mailing a check, starting your savings journey right away. Once your traditional IRA is open and funded, the real work begins. Try to make regular contributions, even small ones, to take full advantage of compounding. Don't forget to choose your investments carefully within the account, whether they are stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it's still on track to meet your long-term retirement dreams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.